Today we are going to start with Chapter 6 more about MS PowerPoint 2010. The activity is a revision of the chapter PowerPoint which we have done earlier. State whether these statements are true or false. MS PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software. It is true. Second, pages of a presentation are called documents. False. It is called slides. Third, the dotted boxes on a slide are called placeholders. It is true. The first slide of a presentation by default is always the title slide. It is true. We can run a slideshow by pressing the F7 key. It is false. To run a slideshow, we have to press F5 key. Now, presentations and presentation software. So, what is a presentation? This is the act of showing and explaining an idea or a point or a topic to an audience. Earlier, the presentation was done on the printed, handwritten, or it is drawn material which is used to give the presentation. But nowadays, presentations are made on the presentation software with the help of the computer. What is presentation software? It is a software program that allows you to create presentations by combining text, pictures, videos, sound, animation, charts, and graphics with a number of special effects. So, presentation software is a software which helps to create presentation, and in presentation we can add text, pictures, videos, sound, animations, charts and graphics, and we can give special effects to the presentation which we are making in the software. Now there are some examples of the popular presentation softwares like Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Apple Keynote, and these are widely used for creating presentations. Now, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010 is a popular presentation software which is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and it comes as a part of Microsoft Office suite. It allows to create multimedia presentation quickly and easily. So PowerPoint 2010 helps to make multimedia presentation fast and easily. It consists of numbers of slides, and these slides are called as electronic page, and this slide contains text, images, audio, video, and animation effects, and these can be inserted easily in a slide to give the special effects. Now, what does multimedia refers? It is a content that uses more than one medium of communication such as text, pictures, audio, video, animation, and so on. So multimedia basically is a medium of communication, and in the communication we can use text, pictures, video, audio, and animations. And we can include all these elements in a PowerPoint presentation. Now, these are the components of MS PowerPoint. Quick access toolbar, where we can save easily, we can undo and redo easily. Next, title bar, which has the name of the presentation. When we save the file name, then that name flashes here on the title bar. Tabs, file, home, insert, design, all these are tabs Next, groups. It has slide groups, font groups, paragraph groups. So all these are used to make our presentation effective. Next is slides pane. It shows the slides which we have added in our presentation. Outline pane. It shows the outline of each slide. Next, status bar. It shows the number of slides used in the presentation. Ribbon. Ribbon has all the components present in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Next, command button. Command buttons are used to give the animations, to give the special effect, to do the formatting in the presentation. Next is the placeholders, which helps us to insert text, images, audio, video, and animations. Slide area, where it shows the slide and its content. Notes area, if we want to enter some notes for a particular slide, we can add on it. So these were the components of MS PowerPoint. Now how to start MS PowerPoint 2010. So we have to go to the search icon on the start screen and then type PowerPoint 2010 in the search box. And then from the list, we are going to select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. And by clicking on it, we open with the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. And this is the activity which you will be able to do after viewing the practical video of this class. Now you have to create a new blank presentation where you will replace the title slide with the title and content slide by clicking on the new slide button. And then you will select the title and content layout from the layout gallery. So you have to first of all create the new blank presentation, and then you will click on new slide, and there you will select title and content slide, and then you would replace it with title slide, and then you can select title and content layout from the layout gallery. In the second activity, you have to insert a clip art in the content slide and apply a shadow effect to the clip art images, and then write the picture name, give a brief description in the title placeholder. Now, first of all, let's open PowerPoint. To open PowerPoint, we have to type PowerPoint at the search box and we will get it. And after selecting on PowerPoint, it will get open. And as it get open, now here we are going to click on new. As we click new, a blank presentation, we'll select on blank presentation. And now here this is the place where we are going to make the presentation. This is the first page of the presentation. Now the first slide which we see is called the title slide. Now here we would give the name of the topic of the presentation. Like for example, modern means of transport. So now this is the topic of the presentation, and in the subtitle you can mention your name or class, or you can leave it blank. Now we have to add new slide. To add new slide, we will go to the home tab and there we'll click on new slide. So we are getting multiple slide layout. Now from this slide layout, we are going to select title and content slide. And in this, we would mention the title like what are the means of transport. So here after mentioning the heading, we can write about it. Like for example, we could write the meaning of transport, any vehicle that moves or transport people and things from one place to other is called a means of transport. So in this way we can write the content. Now as our second slide is also done, now next slide we can insert the pictures as well. Now one more thing I want to add, that we can see that there is a square box around this text. Now we can move this text block, we can rotate it, we can resize it. Now there are rotation handle, resizing handles are there. With the help of resizing, we can decrease or increase the size, and with the help of a rotation handle, we can rotate it as per we need it. So right now, let's make it a little bit big, and we can also move it from one place to another. We can drag it here, we can drag it any place which we find it suitable. Now let's do some formatting. Moving to the title slide, we want to change the format of this topic. First of all, select it, and then we can make it bold. We can give a color to it. We can also change the font face, whichever we like it. We can change it. We can increase the size. So in this way, we can do the formatting of our topic. We can do formatting of any page, whichever we feel like. Now, let's see how to add the picture. Now, after this, we'll select one more slide, and here again a title and a content slide. Now we'll give a name of any vehicle like car, and let's enter a picture of a car. To insert it, we'll go to the insert tab, which is near home tab. So click on insert and then click on pictures and this device. Now here it's going to open those images which are present in my PC, and in your PC it might be different pictures. So after selecting the picture, we'll click on insert, and that picture get inserted in the slide. Now I want to do some formatting here. I can make it bold, I can increase the size, and one more thing we can do it, alignment. For aligning, there are 4 options: left align, center align, right align, and justify alignment. So if I want my text, right now it is left align. If I click on right align, so the text will move to the right side. If I make it center, so it would be in the center. And justify, it just get adjusted according to the margins. Now let me keep it to the center, and I'll change the color. I can increase the size. So in this way I can do the formatting. Now there's one more way we can do it. Now after this, let's add one more slide, and here with the 2 contents. That means we can insert the text as well as the picture. Like for example, if I want to write something about aeroplane, so I need to enter the text that it is a transport, that means air transport. We can mention air transport, or this is the fastest means of transport. So such type of details we can enter, and then we can add the image on the next. On the other hand, for that, again same thing, we'll go to the insert, we'll click on pictures, this device, and I can select the aeroplane picture and click on insert, and in this way picture is inserted. Now my picture is little small, so with the help of resizing handle, I'll just increase the size. From any direction I can increase the size. So here on one side I'm having the text and the other side I'm having the picture, and I can do formatting of this as well. Increase the size and I'll make it align to the middle, the center of the page. Now here, let's do one more insertion, that is, first of all, let's add one more slide again. Let it be title and content. Now here, let's see how to add the table. For adding table, there's an insert table option in between. There are lots of options here to insert table, insert chart, insert pictures, insert video. So we are going to click on insert table. So as we click, it's going to ask the number of columns or rows we want for the table. So let's select 2 columns and maybe 3 rows. Make it a little bit 4 rows. So okay. So now this has been selected, and we can select the table style from the top. Whichever is looking nice, we can select for that. Okay, let's be that. Now here we can write about the different land transport, and on the other side I can mention some water transport. So in this way I can write the information in the table. Like for example, I can give car, bus, cycle. So in this way I can enter land transport. If I want to enter water transport, I'll enter like this: ship, boat, steamer. So in this way we can add table and we can add the content on it. We can also align these things. We just have to select it and go to home and click on center align. We can obviously increase the size. So in this way we can do it. So here our table is done, and we can also add a media clip. So let's add one more slide. Again, title and content. Now here let's see how to insert some video and some more images. So for that, there is an option to insert video. Just click on that, and then whichever video you're having in your PC, you can just go with that. Click on videos, all files, and I'll get it one video. I'll just click on insert. Now we can see that a video has been inserted. So in this way we can insert the video, and we can also put some styles and effect to the pictures. Like moving to the above slide, we have to just select the picture and go to the format tab, and there we have a lots of styles for the picture. We can select the picture with the different styles with some borders and something like that. We can select it, and we can also give picture effect, some shadows. We want to have some shadows of the pictures if it is visible. and we can put reflection, we can put glow at the borders of our picture. We can put it some glow. So in this way we can go with picture effects, picture styles, picture layout, and all these things we can add for the formatting of the picture. So these were the features which we have done today, and you are going to practice it. Now, to see how it is looking, so we are going to do the slideshow. There's a slideshow tab. Click on it. Click on from beginning. So now we can see the title of the slide and then the second slide, and we have selected pictures and text, and we can have entered table here, and we can also insert the videos or clip art images, or we can go with the GIF images. So such type of images we can insert. And the last, it's the end of the slide. Now this is the homework. You have to read page number 68 to 76 and complete the activity which is on page 68 and 75. You have to do the practicals which are shown in the class video.